Exterior angle theorem in 5 minutes. The exterior angle of a triangle is formed when one side is extended past the triangle. This creates an outside or exterior angle. An exterior angle out here has two relationships. It has a relationship to the adjacent angle. They are supplementary. But it also has a relationship to the remote, that means opposite, interior angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is supplementary to the interior adjacent angle, that's the inside angle that's next to it, but it also has a relationship to the two angles that are not adjacent to it. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, sometimes known by the word remote. To be remote means to be far away from. Let's take a look at some examples here. If I have this exterior angle x, then I know it is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior remote angles. So whatever 90 plus 30 is, will be the same as x. So x must be 120 degrees. Now I have another exterior angle here in this question, but I don't know both of the remote angles. So instead of using the exterior angle theorem, I'm just going to use supplementary angles here. If the inside angle is 30, then the outside angle must make it to 180. So 30 plus the question mark has to equal 180. Therefore, the question mark must be equal to 150. Let's try two more. I know an outside angle, and these are the two remote interior angles. So that means 120 is equal to their sum. So when I subtract 20 from both sides, that must mean that x is equal to 100. This last example here has an algebraic expression as the exterior angle. And we know the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So 40 plus x. So when I subtract x from both sides and divide both sides by 4, I can find the value of x. It's 10. And if x is 10, that makes this angle 50, and that makes these two angles also 50, because the exterior angle is equal to their sum. Let's take a look at a few more. Pause the video and try these on your own. Let's take a look and see how you did. Did you set up your equations correctly? Did you solve for x? Let's take a look at two more that are a little bit harder. Again, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles, right? The remote angles. So we're going to add 30 and 4x plus 2. That gives us 8 plus 6x on the left and 32 plus 4x on the right. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides, and that leaves me with 8 plus 2x equals 32. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, giving me 2x equals 24. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 and get x is equal to 12. If I use this value to substitute in here for x, I'm going to get 8 plus 72, which gives me 80. And 4 times 12 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. And 50 plus 30 is also 80. Last one. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So 8x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. That's going to give me 140 is equal to 11x plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. 132 is equal to 11x. Divide both sides by 11. And this one is also x is equal to 12. How about you pause the video and give these two a try? Let's take a look and see how you did. This concludes the exterior angle theorem.